This is a story about a girl who dreamed of one day owning a vintage bungalow. So she bought one. And with a little imagination and some good old DIY sweat equity, she transformed it into a dream home. This is DIY Redesign. From the time I was born until I was 17 years old, I lived in 13 different homes or apartments. I always enjoyed the people. My mom, my family, my siblings, but I didn't like moving all the time. Made a lot of friends, went to a lot of schools, but I didn't like moving all the time. So as I matured, I really longed for a place to call home that was permanent, that felt more permanent to me. But I had a lot of doubt. I didn't think I'd ever be able to afford to purchase a home, the great American dream. This isn't a debate about renting versus home ownership. This was just my dream. And so I set out to try to shore up my mindset. Some people might say maybe, rid myself of like a poverty consciousness or something like that. But I had a lot of education to do. I had a lot of the words that I spoke over myself, and the things I began to believe that were really possible. When I was in my early 20s, I started watching this show called This Old House. Very popular show. And that show made me really fall in love with older homes. And when I grew up, my aunt, who did own a home, her and her family, she had a beautiful fireplace, and I anointed myself as the fire keeper. When it was cold weather, I learned how to build the fire and keep the fire going and, clean everything. So I always was committed that if I ever had a chance to own a home, that I'd want a fireplace, and I wanted it to have some age, or they say character, right? Some character. I set out on a quest to make my dream a reality. This show is definitely going to be full of all of the phenomenal design transformation that my fans have come to know and love and expect from me. Absolutely. But it's also going to do something else. It's a love letter to myself and to anyone else out there who's ever had a dream. You had the determination and developed the tenacity and the perseverance to make your dream come true.